outside. Are we rolling? Mike Van Dyke from Deep River. True. Look, today we're out in the outback, snake hunting. And the target species for the day, king brown. Let's go see if we can snag a couple. Stumbled upon a whole nest of them. Anyway, there you go. King brown. Beautiful snake, heavily bodied, predator. So I'll give you a little bit of a close up. Anyway, well, I just got tagged.
Aren't they poisonous?
Oh yeah, deadly. I've spent a lifetime ingesting small amounts of venom to build up immunity to their toxins for an occasion like today. Anyway, you people out there in TV land, don't try this yourselves. Leave it to the professionals. So I better get these boys back into the wild. We'll see you on the next adventure. That's a take. Cut. Well, let's say we pack up the gear, get my ass into the truck, get me down to the hospital.
I thought you'd built up an immunity.
Oh yeah, that was just bullshit for the camera. No, I can't feel my arms anymore. I can't even lift my arms anymore. I might be dying. But they'll fix me up down there. I'll be down to the pub in no time. Go down, blow the froth off a couple, have a little bit of the amber nectar, some of that golden throat charming. Just like an angel pissing on your tongue. Yeah.